Did you know that you could make regular weekly income from the stock market? No, now think about it. What I'm saying is, just like you receive a paycheck at the end of the week from some jobs, you can do that with investing in the stock market. Now here's how. Let me break it down in an easy to understand way. Back in high school, I had a convenience store where I sold candy to all my friends. I would go to Costco, get blow pops for 10 cents a blow pop and sell it at school for 50 cents. The difference that I made was what I got to keep, right? I bought it at 10 cents, sold it at 50 cents, and now I get to keep 40 cents of profit. Well, that's exactly what I'm doing in the stock market. I buy a share low, sell it higher, and then I get to keep the profit. Now, I've had someone ask me before, but Terry, how do you actually get the money? Like, how do you see it in your account? Well, with a broker's account, that's what you need to invest in the stock market. Once you sell your stock, you have the cash now in your portfolio, in your brokerage account. And you can connect that to your bank account just like you would connect your banking to your savings or any other kind of bank accounts. You can do an online bank transfer to transfer the money from your portfolio, your investing portfolio, into your bank account. And then you can use that to pay bills, to pay off a goal, to pay down debt. I actually paid off $71,000 of debt so far this year from investing in the stock market. Now I just have my student loan left and my rental property, and I want to pay that off by the end of the year. Here are 3 keys to success. And these are my secrets now, y'all, so don't tell the world. But the first key is you have to learn how to use the bank's money to trade. And I have a little secret that I share with my students of how we actually can trade with the bank's money to make higher returns and keep some of our own. Y'all have heard it said before, use other people's money. Well, you can do that in trading as well. Key number 2, you have to learn how to protect yourself from losing money. I've heard people say that investing is a gamble, but it's not. When you do it right and you learn the right techniques, it's actually a calculated risk. But the most important thing is you have to have discipline so that when the trade goes against you, I'm not going to say that I win every time because that's not true. But what I can say is that I know how to cut my losses quick. So if I see that I've invested in a stock and it starts going against me or losing money, I know how to quickly cut it so that I can make money the next time that I make a trade. I've had students tell me before that they've lost a lot of money in the stock market, and I'm sure that you've heard that too. And it might be the reason why you've been afraid to get started because you don't want to lose money, you're afraid that it's a gamble, you're not sure how to do it correctly. But let me tell you, there are ways in the stock market to protect you from losing. One of those things is called a stop loss. I won't go into all the details right now, but just know there are ways to protect yourself on the downside too. The third key to success is learning how to take high probability trades. And I know some of you all are worried when you hear me say that because you're afraid that it takes a lot of math skills to invest, and that's not true. What is true though is if I teach you how to read charts, you can learn when to enter a trade at the highest probability times, which would give you higher returns. Terry, okay, say that one more time, break it down for me. I can teach you how to make better trades so that you can make more money. So if you want help with those 3 keys to success, just let me know. Check out my website at investwithterry.com. I can help you learn to trade with less money, protect your risk, and pick more profitable trades. With that said, I'll see you in class.